Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to unbox and showcase a product I was able to snag, compliments of the Yes Style affiliates program. Now this is the Seoul Ceuticals multifunction all-in-one snail repair cream. This is an anti-aging moisturizer, which as we're getting into kind of the cooler winter fall months, I can definitely use more moisturizers. And there's a lot of great things that I noticed about this product, which is why I was quick to kind of scoop it up. This has an impressive 97.5% snail mucin, and also some ingredients like aloe and vitamin E and a little bit of retinol. So really kind of boosting that anti-aging, hydrating properties. And one of the other things that I love about this product particularly is that they are cruelty-free. So even though they are extracting the snail secretion, they are not harming the snails in the making. So the snails can go on living their peaceful lives, even though they're giving us the great benefits, the anti-aging benefits of their mucin. Now this cream is anti-aging. It's going to help diminish fine lines and wrinkles while promoting a radiant glow, and it's actually, because of the snail mucin, it's going to help stimulate collagen and elastin production and help with cell turnover. So lots of benefits. I love products like this because, you know, they have so many different ways that they can kind of help plump your skin, give you that more youthful, radiant glow. And this is just, you know, a moisturizer. So it's really something you can incorporate day or night, or both actually. You can put it on after you wash your face, your toner, your serum, and you just want to, you know, put as much of this as your skin needs. If your skin's really thirsty, it might need a little bit more, but you know, if your skin's a little hydrated, and let's see what it looks like. So it is a creamy white moisturizer. Doesn't really have a smell. I like that because, you know, I know a lot of people can be irritated by fragrances, so it's nice when it doesn't have a smell. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to put a little bit on my hand just to show you. It rubs in really nicely, not a greasy feeling, but definitely a moisturized feeling. And I know that this tub is going to take me all the way through winter, kind of keeping my skin feeling moisturized in those drier months. So this is what I look like after. This is kind of my hand with nothing on it, so you can see nice, plump, dewy. Let's see, nice, plump, dewy, and no smell, or maybe a slight citrus smell, but either way, really nice. I'm putting my affiliate code down below so you can check out this product as well as all different kinds of products that Yes Style offers. Yes Style offers all kinds of Asian skincare as well as lifestyle products, some fashion, accessories, all kinds of fun things. And I'd love to hear kind of if you've used this product or anything else from the Seoul Ceuticals line and what you think of it. So please comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.